Hello, beautiful ones. Greetings to you all. Let's learn another wonderful style with just 1 yard of Ankara material. So wash my hand closely. You see the way I started pleating it from the width. Though this 1 yard of Ankara, the width and the length is the same thing. So you can pleat from any angle that you want. I prefer this side that has this white design on the mouth because it's going to give the head wrap another beautiful design. So pleat one end, then this other end we are going to pleat it as well. Watch closely as I pick that side. Now I started pleating it. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or coming across my video, the person you're hearing a voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Alright, so you can see it now. I finished pleating it and holding the two sides, I bring them together, wash, then I use rubber band to fasten them together. Make sure it's very firm. Very firm. The style is very simple, very easy. So you can use the Ankara material to achieve your turban head wrap. You can wear it like this and that. Alright, please don't mind me. Let's continue. So placing it on your head this way, you arrange it and taking everything to the back. Arrange it very well. Take everything to the back, then you close it. If you don't want to close it, no need for you to bring these excesses for them to lap themselves. You can just hold it and twist it to the back. But I want to close the back, okay? So bring everything together. You can twist it. Wash my hand closely. You can twist it with that rubber band and tuck it in. But if you do it like that, you're not going, if you want to remove it, it will scatter. Okay, so watch now. You can twist it just like this now and tuck it in and it will be beautiful, neat. Look at it. Look at the way the back is very nice, very fine. But then if you want to bring it out, it will scatter. So that's why I want to use rubber band now to hold it. So the choice is yours. You can twist it and tuck it in with that rubber band. At the same time, you can use rubber band. If you use rubber band, if you remove it, it will still stand. So you can remove it and hang it. Okay, so that's why I'm using rubber band. So the choice is yours. Now, using rubber band, fasten it together, then you tuck it in. Your turban head wrap is ready. So what is left now is for us to adjust it. Look at it. So adjust it very well at the back. Then we come to the front and adjust it. So if this is the first time you're hearing my voice, as I said before, Demi Igele Empire on YouTube, Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Okay, so please do well to drop your like, drop your comment on the comment section. Don't just watch and walk away. Help me to grow on this channel. Oh, yes, please. So press that subscription button, share my videos to your friends and family to also learn and benefit from it. All right, so that is it. You can see it. The beautiful turban head wrap with your Ankara material is ready. Beautiful. Time to dance. Yes, the Owambe is ready. So we are rocking it out. Okay. So you can also tilt it a little bit to the side. If you don't want it to be in the front, it can be at the side. Look at it. That is what the back looks like. Very cute, elegant. So now you can remove it. You see, if not for that rubber band, it will scatter. You see it. So that rubber band is actually holding it firm when you remove it. So that's just the essence. Okay, so you can just remove it, hang it anytime you want to wear it. This one looks like Auto Igele already. So just wear it, adjust it, and you're good to go. Good to go. Alright, so please don't forget to press that subscription button. Let's learn together. See you in my next video.